Oxidation is a very prevalent process in living organisms as well as nature. It's also become a very prevalent process in science labs. However, human efforts in oxidation have all relied on high energy processes as with harmful byproducts. It's not exactly the most environmentally friendly process in research labs, so what can we as humans do to improve upon that? Well, the answer is pretty straightforward. It's to copy nature. Natural enzymes can perform oxidation without the high energy processes and without harmful byproducts. So by replicating the systems in natural enzymes, we could potentially draw oxygen from the air and use that in oxidation processes and bypass any needs for harmful processes. A good starting point would be to use the same elements in natural oxidative enzymes, which would be iron. The Caradon lab has already synthesized a complex that does just that and has iron in it. The only problem is that due to its nature, it's very difficult to use, which is where my project comes in. We can make a series of different metal complexes by keeping the same structure of the iron complex, but replace the metal center. So I synthesized a vanadium complex and use UV-vis spectroscopy to characterize and to learn more about the electron structure. By taking the data I collected as well as the data collected from other metal complexes, we can start to form a trend and characterize these complexes. With the trends and characterizations, we can hopefully start to see if the oxidative chemistry we want to happen is actually happening in these complexes. In a society where being green isn't necessarily a priority, this information is highly valuable. With the research, we can pharmaceutical companies and chemical industries could be able to do their work while being environmentally conscious.